The SupMaKin Mandoline Slicer in green offers a generously sized feed chute and container, so you can handle larger vegetables and batch prep without constant refilling. Its integrated stainless steel blade system delivers a wide range of slice thicknesses and julienne options without the hassle of swapping inserts, making it very versatile for everyday cooking. The spring-assisted handle and stable tripod-style base with a non-slip pad make slicing feel secure and noticeably less tiring than using a handheld mandoline. A sturdy plastic housing made from environmentally conscious materials and corrosion-resistant metal blades gives the slicer a solid, durable feel that stands up well to frequent use. The folding design, compact folded footprint, and included cleaning brush make it easy to tuck away in a cabinet and keep the blades and body clean with minimal effort. Dishwasher-safe parts and straightforward one-button disassembly help this slicer fit smoothly into a busy kitchen routine while still prioritizing safety and ease of use.